You look at your Facebook Ad Manager and you are confused. You can clearly see your cost per acquisition is under $8. Your click-through rate is sitting at a beautiful 3%. People are clicking your ads and the traffic is flowing through. Yet you glance over to your dashboard and you see that you have made 0 sales. Nothing. Crickets. Your first instinct is to blame the algorithm. You blame the media buyer and you even turn off your ads. And you're thinking to yourself, maybe meta ads are just not for your industry. And here's where you're wrong. Let me reassure you that your ads are doing exactly what they're supposed to do. They are buying attention. Your problem isn't traffic. Your problem is that you're trying to pour expensive water into a leaky bucket. Today we are going to do a full conversion rate optimization. I'm going to show you where your customers might be leaking out of your funnel and how to plug these holes before you spend another dime funding Zuckerberg's next yacht. In case you are new here, I'm Peter Szabolcs and I run Ads and Leads. And one of the biggest mistakes business owners can make is thinking that an ad agency's job is to make them money. That's only partially true. An actual ad agency's job is to bring them targeted traffic. Your actual website's job is to make you money. If you hire me and I bring you 1000 highly qualified buyers to a website that's taking 10 seconds to load and it looks like it was made in 2005, you will make exactly $0. We break down every client's customer's journey into 4 different stages: the click, the landing page, the cart, and the checkout. Let's find your leaks. The first major leak happens within 3 seconds of clicking your ad. Leak 1A: load speed. Amazon calculated that a 1 single second time delay in site load time can cost them $1.6 billion a year. So if your website is taking more than 3 seconds to load, you have most likely lost 50% of the people that clicked your ad because they have already clicked the back button. You have paid for the click, but they never even saw your website. What's the fix here? You can compress down your images. If you are using Shopify, you can delete unused Shopify apps. And you can even test the connection speed on a slower and maybe mobile device, not on a office Wi-Fi. The second major problem here is leak 1B, the message congruency. Let's say you are running an ad that specifically features a blue winter jacket with a text overlay that mentions 50% off winter gear. But you have placed a link in this ad that redirects them to your homepage that maybe features a yellow t-shirt. The buyer instantly thinks, where is my blue jacket? Where is my 50% off? They get confused, and the confused customer never buys. So what's the fix here? The headline on your landing page must exactly mirror the hook of your ad. Or maybe you can use a dedicated product page or a specific collection page, but not the home page. Okay, so they have stayed on your page, they have looked through your products, and they even put something in the cart. And then they vanish. Let's figure out why. Leak 2A: hidden costs. Let's say they have thought the product was only $40, but when they go to their cart, they see a $12 shipping fee plus a $5 handling fee. Hidden costs are number one reason for cart abandonment globally. It's kind of a bait and switch. So what could be the fix here? You need to be transparent. You can even integrate the shipping price right into the product price, and then you can offer free shipping to them. Or if you don't want to do that, you can even just boldly state a flat shipping fee right under the Add to Cart button directly. Leak 2B: lack of trust. They have their credit cards in their hands. They are ready to give the money to you, but they don't know you, and the site even feels a little bit sketchy. So what's the fix? You need to place trust anchors right under the Proceed to Checkout button somewhere. This could be a 30-day money-back guarantee badge. You can even put secure checkout icons like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and put real customer reviews under the proceed to checkout. Remind them that other people actually trust you. They have made it to the final step. They are literally ready to give you their money, and you stop them. The leak here is the interrogation. You force them to create an account. You make them fill out their name, their company name, their pet's name, just to buy one single pair of socks. You make them click through 4 different pages just when they are ready to give you their credit card information. And every single extra field that they need to fill out is dropping your conversion rate by double digits. So, what's the fix here? You need to implement Express Checkout immediately. Let's say if you are using Shopify, you can implement Shop Pay, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Let them check out with one single click and the use of a Face ID. Make guest checkout the default, and don't ask for a single piece of information that is not required in order to ship the product they just ordered to their house. But you might bring up the totally valid argument that getting a buyer's email and personal information can be beneficial for the company in the future for email marketing. Then you would be 100% right. This is why you can offer a 10% off coupon if they give you their emails and subscribe to the newsletter. Then they are willingly giving you their email informations and subscribing to the newsletter without a single ounce of hesitation. So let's look at your data today. If your ad click-through rate is 1.5% or higher, but your website's conversion rate is under 2%, you need to stop buying traffic. You need to fix your bucket first, because if you fix these leaks, if you increase the website's conversion rate from 1% even to a 2%, you are basically doubling your entire revenue without you having to spend an extra penny on ads. And your cost per acquisition gets cut in half instantly. At Ads and Leads, we refuse to pour expensive water into leaky buckets. So when you work with us, we point out exactly where these leaks appear in your bucket before we even turn on a single meta ad. So if you are a business owner who's getting clicks but not sales, feel free to click the link in the description and book a call with me and my team. And we can figure out together where the water is leaking out of your bucket. Stop blaming the traffic, fix the holes in your bucket, and the water within your bucket will remain intact.